Okay, done my afternoon at work. Back home. Sausages are in the oven, all good. There's my rear end that I picked up from Play Me today. Cheers lads for that. You can't beat heritage panels. They do cost, but yeah, they're just, you can just feel, the presses are really good. Anyway, go on about it all day, but in the end I can't afford all heritage panels, so I'm going to have to make do, but I thought the back one was worth doing, even had to pay for it because it's quite a big one, all with the boots around and everything. You need to make sure the boot fits. Obviously on the wrong end of the car just at the moment. Obviously I do know that this is the front end, back end thing, so what I need to do is have a bit of a tidy up again, because I've got all my panels. I've ordered a floor, passenger floor, but I thought, why not, let's hack the back end of the car off. So yeah, we've got that panel to go on. Hopefully enough to repair the boot floor. And I've got a pattern rear valance, which don't look too far off, and that'll be fine, I think, for what this car is. So yeah, I'm fancying let's have a big tidy up, pull the car forward a bit so I've got a lot of space at the back. We can set the camera up and start chopping the back of the car off and then see how we go. Tidy up first. Okay, found the back of the car. Still need to clear it out, get the fuel tank out, get all the back end clear. Take the old trim off because it's going to be all ground, and finish tidying up. Let's see what we got. Fuel cap beat me. So gonna add that to the list if you look and remind me. Let's see this tank. Fuel connection handy somewhere. Mr. Stanley knife should do that. So it's not a fast one. I thought you might like to see me cut a fuel line open. Oh, the world's sharpest knife, which is now broken. We now revert to the backup knife. I'll move the light so I can actually see what I'm doing. Some people might ask why I didn't remove the tank earlier, because I've done a lot of welding already. Well, a lot of people would ask, but I'm not going to give an answer because I can't give away all my secrets. Sounds fairly empty anyway, so it's all good. Okay, now the tank's safely removed. I can now start welding on the car and cutting. So I'm going to start cutting a lot of this away. It's going to look quite drastic, hopefully it'll be alright. all this has got to go, especially the back edge here for the rear panel. Repair panel. Which is a weird one, it's come galvanised, it's one of these German made ones, Klockenholm. So I've been told to sort of grind the galvanised bit off where you're going to weld, otherwise I've done that before and you at the end of the night. But yeah, I don't really like it being silver, but it's galvanised, so actually in principle it's better. So yeah, I'm going to cut all that away, get that sort of mounted, and this panel and the scuttle, the rear balance is fairly simple anyway by the time we get to that point. But yeah, let's cut the back end away, see what we've got. I just realised doing these videos that when I go into fast forward mode, you guys don't know I'm doing the fast forward mode, I don't think. So I don't know if that annoys people that you don't have to keep stopping and starting. That's why I try and keep the videos a bit shorter. Okay, I did a bit of damage. Not even know this is going to fit yet, but I'll just hold it up just so I can see what's going on. Get an idea. So you can see the curves there, which is very strange. Well, that's folded down like that, because that's folded that way. Wheel arch comes like that, so I don't quite understand that. I've got to assume that's where the wheel arch will be. A lot more cutting yet. It does actually go under these subframe mounts, which I was half hoping to sort of maybe keep, but it might be just easier to chop them out. I don't know if you chop them out, I'll do something with them. I didn't really want to buy them brand new because they're effing expensive, but I always use pattern ones because in the end they're just old spreader plates. So yeah, getting there. Yeah. Okay, when cutting across this back panel, don't forget, there's the bonnet stiffener there. Well, the bonnet, the boot catch stiffener, which I luckily missed just. A little nick, but that's fine, little grindy kiss. They're fine. So still a lot more grinding yet, I haven't even got anywhere there. It's always nice to hold some panels up so you can actually see that you haven't cut too far. And just see what things are looking like. Again, heritage panel. It's very nice indeed. Very nice. I'm thinking of getting this on so I can use a window line as a datum point, hopefully. Maybe not fully welded on, but I can get it clamped on, and that will then give me the line for the bottom of the boot floor then. And then, yeah, looks like I'm going to do a lot more cutting still. And I've still got a battery box to cut out as well, which I might actually do later once I've taken the rear subframe out. We'll see. We'll see. Alright, not too much sure I want to get too much more done tonight, but if I do, it'll just be a bit more grinding. So, till next time. Okay, got a bit more off. Call it a night now. Let's go see the family. So, yeah, it's getting there. A bit more grinding to do. It's going to need a bit of pinching in all corners when it gets welded on. Hopefully, I think I can get my spot welder all around there, so I really don't think there's going to be many MIG welds apart from just around there. And that'll be the next thing to cut and get that smooth. And the two pillars. But yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Oh, getting there, slowly.